Can both my kids be co-executors? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So technically, yes, under Maryland law, you can appoint more than one person as the executor or the personal representative of your estate. But is it a good idea? In general, I'm going to tell you, not really. It's not that beneficial to most people. The default position is if you name more than one person, let's say you name both your children, your adult children as your executors, they have to act jointly unless your will explicitly says otherwise. So if you just simply name two individuals as your personal representative, everything that's done by the personal representative has to be unanimous between the two of them. So you can see this already starts to set up some potential issues. So if on behalf of your estate, they are selling a house or signing paperwork or making distributions of your assets, it requires that both of them be involved equally. Again, unless you explicitly state otherwise in your will. And in that case, you have to have a very defined definition of what roles each person shall play. So perhaps you have one person handling the financial issues with respect to your bank accounts and the other person handling the sale of your property. So what are some of the reasons for doing this? Well, again, if you want to share the responsibility between two or more people, and it does serve as a check and balance. If you're not particularly comfortable with one person handling that role all by themselves, this a second person serves as a check on that or a balance on that. But it does create the opportunity for disagreements. And if they come to a disagreement on something, it means that you have to re-engage the court to resolve, and that's going to slow things down and be potentially more expensive. So what we see most often is parents that can't make the choice or they don't want to make the choice. They feel that somehow this is disrespecting one child over the other. And I'm here to tell you that the way to resolve that is to have the conversation with your adult children before you name both of them as co-executors. If you want more information about how to set up your will and who to name as the personal representative, our information is at the end of this video. We'd love to have a chance to talk to you about it. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.